guys, so today we're going to be making chicken fajitas. You will need 1 pound of chicken breast, chili powder, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, black pepper, salt, cooking oil, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, half a green bell pepper, and half an onion, and a garlic clove. Start by slicing your chicken breast into thin slices. So now we're going to make the fajita seasoning. You will need 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then mix this up together to make your fajita seasoning. In a bowl, you're going to add your seasoning to your chicken and make sure you mix it all together to season it very well. And don't be scared to get your crusty fingers in there to mix it all together. Set your chicken to the side so you can let it marinate for about 10 minutes while you take the seeds off of your bell peppers. Now that you're done with your bell peppers, go ahead and slice up your onions too. So now with your pan set to medium heat, add in some oil and then start chopping up your garlic clove and throw it in there with your chicken. Once you add your chicken, try to lay it as flat as possible so it can cook evenly. And then just let that sit there for about 10 minutes while we work on our salad. For your salad, you're going to need romaine lettuce, fresh Parmesan cheese, ranch, and croutons. Once you wash your lettuce, don't forget to check on your chicken and give it a little mix. Once you're done cutting up your lettuce, add it into a large bowl and mix in your other ingredients. For these ingredients, I didn't measure, so you can go ahead and add as much as you want. Once your chicken is done cooking, put it to the side. Add more oil to your pan so you can cook your bell peppers and onions, and also add in the leftover seasoning mix. Once your bell peppers and onions get soft, add in your chicken. And that's it. Now you have some chicken fajitas with a side salad. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.